reactjs isn't just a tool, it's a revolution. A library that transformed web development forever. But why does it still dominate? Is it because of the name, the flexibility, or something deeper? Let's uncover why reactjs is, and always will be, the king of the web. Web development has changed dramatically over the years. Static pages turned dynamic. Users demanded speed, interactivity, and seamless experiences. That's where React stepped in, rewriting the rules of how we build the web. Here's the magic of React: simplicity meets power. Its component-based architecture didn't just make coding easier, it made developers faster and web apps smarter. Want to build reusable U-blocks? React makes it feel like playing with Lego bricks. Need proof of its dominance? Look at the web giants. Facebook built it, Instagram scaled it, Airbnb innovates with it. The top apps you use daily, all backed by React. But React isn't just about being popular. It's about being fast. Its virtual DOM isn't a buzzword, it's a game changer, making updates lightning quick without slowing down your app. Here's another reason React rules: its community. Imagine millions of developers working together, creating solutions, answering questions, and pushing boundaries. Whatever challenge you face, someone's already solved it with React. And React isn't just limited to web apps. With React Native, it's breaking into mobile. With Next.js and Remix, it's conquering servers. It's not just a king, it's an empire. Let's talk career. React isn't just a skill, it's the golden ticket. Check any job board, and you'll find React as the most sought-after skill for front-end developers. Mastering React means mastering your career. Of course, not everyone agrees. Some call it overrated. But here's the truth: when you're at the top, you're always the target. And yet, React doesn't just survive criticism, it thrives on innovation. So, is React.js the king of the web? Absolutely. It's fast, powerful, and evolving every single day. This isn't just a tool, it's the heartbeat of modern development. And if you haven't mastered React yet, now's the time to join the revolution. If you think React deserves the crown, hit that like button, share this video, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech secrets that shape the web.